Welcome to the trade table. Today we are going to discuss mini split making noise when off. Mini split air conditioners can produce noises even when powered off, which many homeowners experience. While often harmless, some may indicate underlying issues. Why your mini split makes noise when turned off. Condensation drainage. Normal water trickling ensures balanced humidity levels. Fan operation. The indoor unit fan may run briefly after shutdown to dispel remaining cool or hot air, avoiding room temperature fluctuations. Defrost mode. The outdoor unit may enter defrost mode, accompanied by gurgling sounds as refrigerant flows in reverse to melt ice buildup. Electrical components. Faint clicking, buzzing, or whirring is typical as capacitors, relays, and thermostats maintain power or cycle on and off. Common causes of mini split noise when off faulty parts. Malfunctioning components like fans, valves, or compressors may require professional replacement. Refrigerant issues. Low levels or leaks of refrigerant strain the compressor, necessitating recharge and leak sealing by an HVAC technician. Drainage problems. Gurgling or dripping sounds may signify a clogged drain line, addressable by pouring water and vinegar down the drain or seeking professional assistance. Vibration suggests an unlevel outdoor unit or contact with another surface, requiring professional releveling to prevent damage. How to troubleshoot and fix a noisy mini split. Check the fan. Normal fan operation may continue briefly after shutdown. However, grinding or squealing sounds indicate potential repair or replacement needs, requiring inspection by an HVAC technician. Inspect the compressor. Strange sounds from the compressor signal potential issues, requiring service to prevent further damage. Check for obstructions. Debris obstructing airflow or movement of parts may cause noise. Removal of debris may resolve the issue, but persistent problems warrant professional inspection and repair. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked this content, be sure to leave a like and subscribe. If you're looking to buy a mini split, be sure to check out thetradetable.com, the best mini split store online. Have a great rest of your day.